accessories as they help you to take amazing photos. But packing different tripods for different devices are not only impractical but also impossible. UBeesize 60-inch TR60 BK camera tripod can be the ultimate travel tripod for you, as it is made of lightweight aluminum and can take up to 5 kg of load, which is enough to hold any DSLR and mirrorless cameras with heavy lenses, and is also compatible with your iPhone or Android phones. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote controller that works with both iOS and Android. The TR60's max height is up to 150 cm and comes with a convenient carry bag, phone clip, and universal 1x4 screw to support most DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It has a smooth panhead with 360-degree rotation and freely adjustable angles that allows you to shoot panoramic photos or videos without limitations. The tripod is made of eco-friendly rubber feet, durable aluminum alloy legs, and flip-lock. TR60 tripod ensures stable and easy maneuver. Weighing only 1.5 kg, this tripod can easily be your go-to travel tripod since it is lightweight and has compatibility to multiple devices.